Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Assetto Corsa in VR no wheel. Start by launching Steam VR and setting super sampling to 100% for stable performance. Enable motion smoothing or asynchronous reprojection to reduce judder when turning the headset. Use your PC controller to bind accelerator, brake, and handbrake, and set a relaxed steering curve so small inputs feel natural. Test a short lap to confirm comfort and adjust FOV and head position before long sessions. For smooth driving without a wheel, pick a controller with precise analog sticks and low input delay. Tweak dead zone and sensitivity to avoid oversteer on quick corrections. Assign a dedicated button for look back and another for handbrake to maintain awareness and quick reactions. Consider vibration off for consistent motion cues in VR. Finally, practice on an easy track to learn braking points and steering feel before racing competitively. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for storing snacks and avoiding spills while you race, and they seal tight even with sauces. They save time and keep your setup clean between sessions, which I always appreciate during endurance runs. Check the description for the container link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balancing visuals and frame rate is crucial in VR to prevent motion sickness. Start by lowering crowd and shadow detail and reduce reflections if needed to gain consistent frames. Match your target FPS to your headset, aiming for 45 or 60 FPS depending on refresh rate, and lock it for stability. Close background apps and set your GPU to high performance. Test different presets to find the best comfort and clarity mix for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.